Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most secretive and advanced weapons in the US military arsenal that you probably haven't heard about. We're talking next-level, cutting-edge technology that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. We're going deep into the world of railguns, stealth bombers that are like shadows in the sky, missiles that travel at insane speeds, and weapons that use lasers. This is some serious future warfare stuff, folks. So buckle up, grab your tinfoil hats if you want, and get ready to have your mind blown because things are about to get wild. First up, we're talking railguns, man. Imagine a gun that shoots projectiles at 7 times the speed of sound using electromagnetic force instead of gunpowder. That's a railgun. We're talking about launching projectiles at hypersonic speeds, like Mach 7, dude. That's insane. The Navy's been all over this tech for years, pouring resources into research and development. Why? Because it's a potential game changer for warfare. Imagine the destructive power of a projectile moving that fast. It's insane, man. It can take out targets from hundreds of miles away, piercing through armor like it's butter. And the best part? No more storing explosive powder charges. It's all about electricity, which is cleaner and safer, relatively speaking, of course. Plus, the cost per shot is way lower than traditional artillery. We're talking about a potential revolution in naval warfare, man. Now let's talk stealth, man. And when it comes to stealth, the B-21 Raider is the real deal. This ain't your grandpappy's stealth bomber. This thing is a ghost, a phantom, a whisper in the night. It's designed to penetrate enemy defenses completely undetected, carrying both conventional and nuclear payloads. It makes the B-2 Spirit look like a disco ball. We're talking next-level radar-absorbent materials and advanced engineering that makes it practically invisible to enemy radar. Imagine this. The B-21 slips past enemy radar undetected like a shadow in the night. It delivers its payload with pinpoint accuracy, and then it vanishes, just as silently as it appeared. This thing is the future of aerial warfare, man. It's a game changer. Alright, let's talk speed, man. Hypersonic missiles. These things are like something out of a science fiction movie. They travel at 5 times the speed of sound, or faster. That's so fast that by the time our adversaries even detect them, it's already too late. We're talking about missiles that can travel at Mach 5, Mach 6, even Mach 10. That's insane. They can hit targets anywhere in the world within minutes. Think about that for a second. These things are game changers, man. They can evade traditional missile defense systems because they're just too damn fast. Russia, China, they're all over this technology, and believe me, the US military is not just sitting around watching. They're developing their own hypersonic weapons to keep up with the competition. It's a whole new arms race, man, a hypersonic arms race. Now let's talk about something that's a little bit creepy, a little bit scary, but definitely the future of warfare: autonomous combat drones. These are drones that can fly themselves, identify targets, and make decisions about whether to engage, all without human intervention. We're already seeing drones used extensively in modern warfare, but these autonomous drones take it to a whole new level. They can swarm targets, share information in real time, and adapt to changing battlefields. It's like something out of Terminator, man. Now I know what you're thinking, Joe. Isn't that dangerous? Letting robots make life or death decisions? And it's a valid concern, man. There are definitely ethical considerations here. But there's no denying that autonomous drones are going to play a major role in future conflicts. Last but not least, let's talk about something straight out of Star Wars. Directed energy weapons. We're talking lasers, man. High-energy lasers that can shoot down missiles, drones, even aircraft. This isn't science fiction anymore, folks. The US military has been developing these weapons for years, and they're getting closer and closer to becoming a reality on the battlefield. Imagine a beam of energy, invisible to the naked eye, slicing through the air, and taking out an enemy target with pinpoint accuracy. The possibilities are insane. We're talking about a weapon that could render traditional guns and missiles obsolete. And the best part is, these lasers are powered by electricity, so they're much cheaper to fire than traditional weapons. It's like shooting a dollar bill every time instead of a $1 million missile. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into military technology and other hidden secrets. See you next time.